Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Minecraft Connection Timed Out Error Getsockopt. To fix Minecraft Connection Timed Out Error Getsockopt, the first step is to go to the Start menu. Now, use the search bar to command prompt. Then, click on command prompt as shown here. Here, enter the command such as ipconfig/flushins. Make sure that it has successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Another way is to click on the search bar given in the taskbar. Search for the control panel, and it will also give different settings just below it. After that, click on View Network Connections. Double-click on Ethernet, and a box will appear on your screen. Locate and click on Properties, and it will show you different options. Make sure to mark a tick on all of the given options except the Microsoft Network Adapter. Following that, click on Properties and enter 8, 8, 8, and 8 in the preferred DNS server. Now, enter 8, 8, 4, and 4 in the alternate DNS server. Hit the OK button to fix the issue. Finally, restart your PC by reaching the Start menu and clicking on the Power button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.